5 Best AI Video Editors for 2023. Are you tired of spending countless hours editing your videos? Do you want to create professional-looking videos that will grab your audience's attention? Well, it's time to say goodbye to the traditional video editing software and hello to the future of video editing, AI video editors. With AI technology taking over the world, it's no surprise that video editing is also being revolutionized. AI video editors use machine learning algorithms to enhance your videos, experiment with generative AI, and even create digital avatars. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the top 5 AI video editors for 2023. These editors will not only save you time and effort, but also help you create videos that are sure to impress your audience. So let's get started and explore the world of AI-powered video editing. Number 1. Wondershare Filmora. First on our list is Wondershare Filmora. This video editor uses AI tools to polish your videos and make them look professional. One of its best features is the AI portrait feature, which enhances your subject's face and removes imperfections. It also has AI scene detection, which automatically recognizes and enhances different scenes in your video. Filmora is not free, but it offers a free trial with limited features. Another greatest feature of Wondershare Filmora is the AI style packs. These packs include various video effects that you can apply to your videos, such as vintage film, dreamy, or cyberpunk. The AI style packs use machine learning algorithms to analyze your video and apply the effects that match your video's mood. With the AI style packs, you can give your videos a unique and professional look in just a few clicks. Additionally, Filmora's AI-powered audio tools help you remove background noise, balance audio levels, and even automatically generate background music that fits the length of your video. Lastly, it has another impressive feature of Wondershare Filmora is AI-driven motion tracking. This feature makes it easy to track and follow a moving object in your video. You can use motion tracking to add text or graphics to your video that follow the movement of an object. With this feature, you can create professional-looking videos that are sure to impress your audience. Additionally, Filmora's AI-driven tools make it easy to color grade your videos, adjust the exposure, and add special effects like lens flare or chroma key. Number 2. Runway. Next up is Runway, an AI video editor that lets you experiment with generative AI. This editor has a unique feature called Code Mode, which lets you modify the AI algorithm to create your own unique effects. With Runway, you can create trippy and surreal video effects that will make your videos stand out. The Runway is not free, but it offers a free trial. One of the most unique features of Runway is its AI-based GAN, or Generative Adversarial Network feature. This feature allows you to create realistic 3D animations of human faces and even full-body movements. With GAN, you could create lifelike animations that can be used in games, movies, or even virtual reality experiences. Additionally, Runway has a feature called Instant Remix, which allows you to remix different AI models to create new and exciting effects. With Runway, the possibilities for AI-powered video editing are endless. Runway is a great tool for those who want to experiment with generative AI. It has a wide range of AI models that you can use to create unique effects, such as style transfer, object removal, and even deepfakes. You can also use Code Mode to modify the AI models and create your own effects. Additionally, Runway's AI-powered feature called Runway ML allows you to train your own AI models using your own data. With Runway, you can unleash your creativity and explore the possibilities of AI in video editing. Number 3. Peach. For content marketing teams, there's Peach. This AI video editor makes it easy to create social media videos that are optimized for engagement. Peach has a feature called Smart Cuts, which automatically cuts your video to fit different social media platforms. It also has a mood feature that uses AI to add music and visuals that match the mood of your video. Peach is not free, but it offers a free trial. Peach's AI-powered feature called Smart Video Editing makes it easy to create engaging social media videos. This feature allows you to automatically trim your videos to the optimal length for different social media platforms. You can also use the Smart Color Correction feature to enhance the colors and brightness of your video. Additionally, Peach's AI-powered tools make it easy to add effects like slow motion, fast motion, or reverse motion to your videos. With Peach, you can create high-quality social media videos that are sure to grab your audience's attention. Peach is a great tool for content marketing teams who want to create social media videos that engage their audience. Peach has a unique feature called AI VoiceOver, which uses AI to generate voiceovers for your videos. You can choose from different voice styles such as energetic, serious, or humorous. Peach also has a Smart Titles feature that uses AI to generate captions for your videos that match your video's content. With Peach, you can create engaging social media videos in minutes without the need for expensive equipment or a professional video editor. Number 4. Synthesia. If you want to create digital avatars for your videos, check out Synthesia. This AI video editor lets you create digital avatars that can speak and move like real people. Synthesia has a feature called AI Lip Sync, which automatically synchronizes your avatar's lips with your audio. It also has a smart video feature that uses AI to create personalized videos for your audience. Synthesia is not free, but it offers a free trial. One of the most impressive features of Synthesia is its ability to create realistic digital avatars. The avatars are created using neural networks that analyze thousands of facial expressions and movements. This means that your avatar will move and speak in a way that is natural and realistic. Additionally, Synthesia's AI-driven feature called Smart Animation makes it easy to add animations to your videos that match your avatar's movements. With Synthesia, you can create engaging videos that feature lifelike digital avatars. With Synthesia, you can create digital avatars that look and sound like real people. You can customize your avatar's appearance, such as clothing, hair, and facial features. Synthesia also has a feature called the AI Language Model, which allows you to type in any text and have your avatar say it in a natural-sounding voice. Additionally, Synthesia's AI-powered feature called Synthetic Data allows you to create personalized videos for your audience by dynamically changing your video's content based on the viewer's preferences. Number 5. Flicky. Last but not least, we have Flicky, an AI video editor that's perfect for social media videos. Flicky has a feature, Smart Filters, that uses AI to enhance your video's color and lighting. Flicky is free, but it offers a paid version with additional features. Flicky is a great tool for social media video creators who want to create eye-catching videos quickly and easily. Flicky has a Smart Templates feature that lets you choose from different video styles, such as vlogs, tutorials, or product showcases. Flicky also has a Smart Frames feature that allows you to add frames to your videos, such as a countdown timer or a progress bar. With Flicky, you can create videos that are optimized for social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, without the need for any video editing skills. Flicky's AI-powered feature called Smart Resize makes it easy to resize your videos for different social media platforms. This feature automatically crops and resizes your video to fit the dimensions of each platform, so you don't have to worry about your video being cut off or stretched. Additionally, Flicky's Smart Text feature allows you to add captions and titles to your video that are optimized for readability and engagement. With Flicky, you can create social media videos that look great on any platform without spending hours editing. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 AI video editors for 2023. With these tools, you can take your video editing skills to the next level and create stunning videos that will blow your audience away. Whether you want to polish your videos with AI tools, experiment with generative AI, or create digital avatars, these editors have got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos on the latest AI technology. Thanks for watching.